I'm slicing some fruit I had so much of but didn't have time to turn into something yummy. You can cut them any way you see fit. You can cut them small and some large. I'm removing any bruising or signs of going bad. Keep in mind that the cell structure changes when they freeze. The water will expand the cells, and when they defrost, they will be watery and mushy. So don't plan on eating these like they were fresh. By freezing and removing them later, we can use them for juices, smoothies, desserts, and even vinaigrettes. I happen to have a vacuum sealer, but you can just place them into Ziploc bags if you're comfortable with that. The sealer is great because it removes all of the air. Be sure to label and date. Matter of fact, let's make a vinaigrette with this speckled plumcot. Take 2 plumcots, seed removed and sliced, place them in the blender, add 1/4 cup seasoned rice wine vinegar, 1 dash of champagne vinegar, 1 teaspoon whole grain or Dijon mustard, and slowly drizzle in the olive oil while blending to emulsify.